Delegates walk out as Netanyahu addresses UN General Assembly. A dramatic scene unfolded at the 80th United Nations General Assembly in New York on Friday when dozens of delegates walked out of the hall as Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu began his speech. According to reports, representatives from more than 50 countries staged the walkout in protest of Israel's handling of the Gaza war. The move highlighted mounting international criticism of Israel's military campaign, which has led to heavy civilian casualties and widespread destruction. Netanyahu, undeterred by the demonstration, declared that Israel must finish the job against Hamas and warned that recognizing a Palestinian state would, in his words, send a message that murdering Jews pays off. His remarks drew both applause and jeers from those who remained in the chamber. The mass walkout adds to the growing pressure Israel faces on the global stage, with several Western countries recently moving toward formal recognition of a Palestinian state.
Please, order in the hall. 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 Please order in the hall and please be seated.